Hey kids, thanks for joining me in the garage again today. We're going to be doing a little tool haul today, and then at the end here we're going to show you a little project I'm taking on that'll be coming up on the next few videos. So like, subscribe, comment down below. Take you in just a second. All right, so I think you can see here, a little tool haul. Got a couple of little things, some Harbor Freight clamps. These are just the Pittsburgh, so I got 2 of the 5-inch clamps and then 2 of the 6-inch clamps. And so these seem to be pretty nice. We're going to be using these for a few things here in upcoming videos. So those seem to be pretty nice. Then I also got some drill press locking clamps. So these you would use on a drill press. So pull these out of here. Well, I guess I won't be returning those. All right, so yeah, you can see, I mean, it's just like a, pair of vice grips, but you can, depending on how, you bolt this underneath like a drill press table, and then these will clamp things down for you depending on, and these will go, I don't know how, if you figure this here, is the surface of the drill press, it'll clamp, I don't know, something pretty good size. I'll probably need to get some bigger one of these as well, so those are pretty nice. Clean up that mess. Then I also got some, these are a little plastic and aluminum soft jaws for the vise. So I've been kind of needing some of these for when I do some more delicate work. But these, pretty standard. On the back of them here, you'll see they have little magnets that then, these will stick onto the vise. So looks like one of the magnets came out already. So, or maybe, oh no, it's right there. So those are going to need to be super glued in. Already broke the new toy, huh? There. So aluminum ones, the little plastic ones. So I've been needing some of those. So next thing is little, this is a little tool here. I'll pull this out of there for, here, get the whole thing out. This is a little tool here for going in on the inside of things you drill out and removing the burrs. So let me get this in here. So you just, you've got a hole that you drilled, right? And you just kind of scrape on the inside of that hole, and this will kind of follow it around, remove those burrs. Nice thing about this is if you're drilling into something, you can get the burr on, both the inside edge and the outside edge. A lot of the times if you're drilling through something, you can't get in on the other side, and so there's always a little burr there that you might end up cutting your finger on. And then these are little bits. I got 4 different sizes here for both removing the burrs on holes, and then you can also do kind of a countersink on these. So those are kind of nice. Been needing some of those. So yeah, that's, this tool. Oh, the other thing I almost forgot, I told you we're going to have a project coming up. So you might be wondering why I got these drill press clamps. Well, I got a drill press. Came with this giant clamp. And it's Got a 3/4 horsepower motor on it too. So I've already got this thing mostly torn down. That'll be the next couple of videos here, is tearing that down, kind of cleaning it up. So this is going to be a fun project. You know, this clamp that came with it is actually fairly nice. This is a 6-inch clamp. Let me get this table off of here. It's kind of wobbly. So yeah, it's a 6-inch clamp. We're gonna, you know what, actually, maybe I'll just do this right now. Oh, hey, actually not too bad. Man, whoever put this together had no idea what they were doing, probably. I mean, not that I know what I'm doing. Oh, I see. There's another set screw in there. Oof. Tiny screws make your fingers sore. This thing should back all the way off, but it doesn't seem like it wants to. And I don't see another way of pulling it off of there. I wonder if it's just crusty. Looks like maybe the thread is mashed right here. Yeah, the thread is just, I don't know if you can see that. Kind of crusty thread there. There. All right, well, didn't plan on taking that apart, but I did anyway. And so I'm going to show you a little video of this bench press. This is a, here it is here. It's a Mark 1. That fell out. Mark 1 model C114. 3/4, 12 speeds. It looks, The motor here says it's made in Taiwan. This says, the tab says Los Angeles, California. So I don't know if it's American made. I haven't been able to find a whole lot online about this. So if you know anything, let me know. That way I can look it up. But next videos here, we're going to be showing on tearing this apart. And then we're going to strip the paint down, get it all the rust off of it, get it cleaned up, repainted, put back together, and get to using it. So if you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up. If you're just watching for the first time, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching.